Alright, so we have a truck moving at a constant speed of 22 meters per second, and it passes a slow-moving car. The instant the truck passes the car begins to accelerate at a constant rate of 1.2 meters per second and passes the truck in 513 meters. So here I have two pictures of the two different moments in time. One is where we have the fast-moving truck passing the slow-moving car, and then in the second picture, after traveling some distance, we have the truck now being passed by the car. Right? So we're interested in finding out we're interested in finding out the initial speed of the car, right? And so what we want is something that can relate. We need an equation that has acceleration, distance, and speed. And an equation that has that is we could write it like this: x is equal to v naught t plus 1/2 at squared, where x is the distance traveled, v naught is that initial speed that we're looking for, t is time, a is constant acceleration. Now, the problem you may notice is that we don't know the initial velocity and we don't know the time, so we need a second equation. We can get a second equation by considering the truck. Right, so the truck travels at a constant velocity, goes the 513 meters, and takes some amount of time. So an equation that relates constant velocity, time, and distance looks like this: x is equal to v times t. Right, and so we now have two equations, two unknowns. We should be able to solve this. So one way that we could do it is take this, rearrange it with some algebra, and we get that time is equal to x over v, which is equal to the 513 meters divided by a constant velocity of 22 meters per second. And I'm getting that time is 23.32 seconds. Right, so then we come back to this first equation that I wrote, and we can rearrange it. With algebra, we can say that rather that v naught is equal to x minus 1/2 at squared over t. So if we plug in numbers, we have 513 minus 1/2 times 1.2 times 23.32 squared, all divided by 23.32. And I am calculating the value of v naught is equal to 8.009, or basically just 8 meters per second.